Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question, I saw that Poshmark was offering free shipping for items over $100. Is that something new that they started? So I saw that too. Poshmark, I don't know. I feel like they just don't know what the hell they're doing. They offered free shipping the first time they did it, which was a couple of weeks ago. It was free shipping for an hour on like a random friggin' like Tuesday or Wednesday, I think it was. And then that Saturday they did it again. And ever since then it's just been so random. Sometimes it's $4.99 shipping, sometimes it's $5.95 shipping. And then a couple of days ago they offered free shipping on items over $100. So I think they're just testing every type of shipping option out. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know. I feel like when they do it, it needs to be for more than an hour. Yes, you want to like create that sense of urgency. You got to at least give people a heads up. If you're going to do it for an hour, at least let people know, you know, not an hour in advance. Maybe let them know like a day in advance. I feel like they don't know what they're doing. They're just trying out options and seeing what works and what doesn't. Next question, what do you put in the original price box on Poshmark? What do I do if I don't know how much it originally cost? So I used to put the original price. If I didn't know the original price, I would guess, but now I just put zero. I just put zero. It's too much of a headache to try to figure out how much something originally cost. You know, if I have something new with tags, I still just put zero. Speaking of prices and like new with tag stuff, somebody sent me the screenshot and said, have you seen that? On someone's listing, it looks like they checked off that the item was new with tags, and then underneath it said, improve your chances of making a sale by including a photo of the barcode on your item's tag. This ensures buyers will be able to easily discover your item, and then it says take a photo. Yeah, I mean, I do that anyway on stuff that's new with tags, so I think they're just kind of like encouraging you to do that. They did mention something at like their little SEO thing. They said that you should always take pictures of the barcodes when you have new with tag stuff, because that's good for like SEO and, you know, Google search and stuff. Yeah, I never seen that little message before. That was new to me, but I always do that anyway on new with tag stuff. Maybe not specifically taking a picture of the barcode. I mean, I take a picture of the tag. So maybe they want just a picture of the barcode, like a close-up picture of the barcode? I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll start doing that. Next question. Hi, Vanessa. I'm new to Poshmark and I just found your channel. My question is it okay that I like something even if I don't want to buy it? I'm not sure what the proper etiquette is. Thanks for all you do. Thanks for watching my channel. When you like something on Poshmark, you're telling the seller that you want to purchase it, because the seller is then able to send you an offer. I feel like the proper etiquette is to only like something if you want to buy it. If you want to, who's calling me? If you want to let the seller know that you like the item, maybe just leave a comment and say like, hey, I really like this, or something like that. Because I know for myself, it gets kind of annoying when I have like a lot of likers on an item and nobody wants to buy it. It's like, you guys, you just like it, you don't want to buy it. You're not alone though. A lot of people like things just to like things, but I feel like the proper etiquette would be to only like something if you plan on purchasing it. I feel like most sellers would feel the same way. Again, if you want to let the seller know that you like it, just leave a comment and be like, hey, I really like this shirt or something. You know? Next question, what's your favorite online place to source? I need some ideas. Okay, so I don't give away my sourcing places. I tell you guys I go to thrift stores. I also source online. I'm not going to tell you exactly where I source because I actually found a good company recently, and I'm not telling anyone what that company is because I'm keeping it for myself. This is my business. I want it to thrive. I feel like if I tell people where I source, that's doing me a disservice, because other people will be able to get stuff that I would potentially be able to get, you know? No, I don't tell people where I source because, again, if the word gets out, then there's less stuff for me. And, you know, this is my business. I want to thrive and sell good things, so I don't want to give away all my secrets. Last question, you said you're doing well on eBay, but I'm curious, is there anything that you don't like? I've tried and tried, but I just can't get myself to get on there. So many annoying things about it. So I had something this morning that really pissed me off, and I posted it on Instagram. Basically, I had someone send me an offer on a pair of shoes. They sent me a really good offer and I accepted it. I waited like 2 hours and then I sent them a message and I said, hey, thank you so much. If you purchase this item today, then I can ship it out today. And I've started doing that because of just non-paying people. It gets so annoying when people buy something, but it's not even really like buying it. Like eBay is... That's what I hate about eBay, is that when you buy something, you actually don't really have to buy it. You can change your mind. You can have second thoughts. That's fine. So yeah, I sent somebody a message this morning after they sent me an offer, and I said, you know, if you pay today, I can mail it out today. And they said, sorry, I don't plan to purchase. They're not the size I want. Thank you for your time. Then why did you send me an offer? I said that right to them. I said, why did you send me an offer then? She actually responded and she said, I did not see the size in the ad until you accepted. I had every intention of purchasing this item, but it's not the correct size. I'm like, what? No. Like, no. That might be the case, but that's really fucking annoying. Like, who does that? Who makes an offer on something without knowing if it's their size? Like, what? That is what is annoying about eBay. Why are we giving buyers 4 days to pay? That is the biggest thing that I dislike about eBay, is that when somebody sends you an offer, they don't actually have to purchase it. They can change their mind. They have 4 days. It's so frustrating. Supposedly eBay is going to change that soon, I think. Somebody told me that like a couple months ago. I don't know if it's still a thing. They said this summer they're going to do it. I don't know. Hopefully. Because every other platform, every other place that you buy something, you pay immediately. You don't just, unless you're doing like Afterpay or something like that. You know, you don't just purchase something, but not really purchase it. You can still change your mind. Like, no, you fucking hit purchase, takes the money off your card. Can someone explain it to me? Because I really do not understand the point of letting people have 4 days to pay, because that's really fucking annoying for the seller, because it ties up that item. What if somebody else wanted to come along and purchase it, like maybe for more, maybe for full price? Maybe you accepted an offer on something and then there's someone else who wants to purchase it for full price, but they can't purchase it because it's still pending with this person who has 4 days to change their mind. It's so frustrating. That's really my only gripe with eBay. It really is. I was so hesitant to sell on eBay, but I'm so glad I did, because it's been going really, really well. And I'm selling like everything on there now, like literally everything. And I said I wasn't going to do that. I didn't want to just sell everything because I feel like that's overwhelming. But no, now when I go to the thrift store, I'm like, clothes, and then I'm like, everything else, let's look. If you're on the fence about selling on eBay, just do it. Just do it. Just go for it. Just do it. It's not as scary and as difficult as you might think. Just do it. But that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.